fishing. Monday, I went fishing with my mom on Monday. Tuesday, I went fishing with my dad on Tuesday. Wednesday, I went fishing with my big sister on Wednesday. Thursday, I went fishing with my big brother on Thursday. Friday, I went fishing with my family on Friday. Saturday, I went fishing with my gran on Saturday. Look at my fish. Sunday, I went fishing with my gran again.